I'm back.
Hi,
I'm gonna
hi,
get out
back.
of it.
I'm Alchy. Cool. Nice one.
Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and share
Fuck
this
yourself.
video with a friend. And
Just
fuck
Perfect.
yourself.
Yeah. This is nice.
Make sure you guys go follow my Instagram at Little Andy Cabrera. Make sure
No,
you
no,
follow.
do not subscribe to her. She's dead.
Go to my Twitter and
Yeah, go to my Twitter. Go follow me on Snapchat at
No, just
Gummy Bears X.
oh, there you go. This is the
Okay.
only thing that
Make
works.
make sure you follow
Oh
me on
my
YouTube.
God.
YouTube too.
No.
At,
No.
No, go kill yourself.
You should do it first though, before she does.
all right, everyone, are you guys ready?
yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
start.
Oh.
Man,
Oh
this
my-
bullshit. Fuck. All right.
What
This
the
bullshit.
fuck? Mine's didn't
Oh.
load, guys. We gotta do it again.
Oh my god, it's really hard.
Wait, what's the car say? What the fuck?
Oh,
Oh my god. I will try this one.
oh my
What the fuck?
God.
I can't even see the cards.
I think you should know which one is mine.
Ah, please. Please. Work. Please.
We can't. If it's like a blank, you can type there, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Huh?
but you have to confirm it first, and then you can type whatever you want.
Yeah, I know. I know how to play. I know how to play.
Man, who's that? Oh, seriously? The dog is not.
Oh fuck!
Wait, why do we only have three? Why do we have
What?
3 people here?
I don't know. You're asking me.
Wait a minute, guys.
Oh, there we go.
What the fuck's going
Gummy,
on?
are you fucking kidding me?
What? What?
Who did that shit?
I didn't do
Come on.
anything.
Kitche. Kitche. Kitche.
I swear that wasn't me. Okay, that was me.
Oh, what a bitch.
I knew it. I knew
Fuck
it.
Gummy. Fuck you.
Credit cards there.
I
No,
went.
fuck you.
Oh my god.
I went from. Wait.
Who's that dog?
And
Whose dog is that?
are you gonna eat it? Well,
Oh my
Hell
god,
yeah, I'm
the
gonna
dog
eat it.
is ruining the video.
That dog is beautiful. Shut the fuck up. Don't you yell at fucking Sammy.
hell yeah, I'm gonna eat it.
Oh my god.
What the fuck? It won't let me confirm any more selections.
Oh, she's so
Good, I want to choose this.
No, I would have won. Oh, yeah.
I try so hard.
hard.
I finished.
Fuck, it won't let me confirm another one. Give me 1 second. No. I have like 20 seconds.
You lose.
There.
Mine are
I think
really.
something
Mine is
broke
really
again.
bad. I don't have any
Mine's actually pretty good. Mine's is pretty good.
Fuck you.
Mine is pretty good. What are you talking about?
No, you're
Jay,
right.
we're waiting for you. I went
Wait,
from
yeah.
blank to blank, all thanks to blank.
No.
Alright.
I know what this. I know what this is.
Oh my god.
What? What's so funny?
Oh my god.
What's so funny?
I don't know. I am right.
Which one's
What
funny?
the fuck?
So you have to pick.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta pick which one's the best.
All right. I went from.
Yeah, go first.
I went from.
Everything is
Nothing.
fine.
No, those are all good cards.
Hey.
I'm
Just
from.
to tip a low like standard bullshit. Wow, I love the last card.
No, it's because it's yours, bitch.
That's not mine.
Yes!
Jig, I'll take
Yeah.
6.
No.
What
oh
the
my
fuck?
God. That's okay.
Fuck you!
It
I wasted bullshit on you!
was funny.
Get involved with.
Listen,
Oh,
son,
Okay.
if you
this
want
is
to get involved with playing, I won't stop you. Just steer clear of blank bullshit. Bitch! I wasted bullshit on you. That was a perfect cut. Just the tip, a low life standard to thanks to bullshit. Yo, you know what? That pisses me off.
Boy, pumping up a baby.
No.
Oh, you
Just
want
by
the
jumping
salt
up
one?
and down.
The salt is so real. Man,
Triggered.
triggered. Hashtag triggered.
I'm triggered.
Hashtag triggered.
Triggered.
Oh my god.
Why? I can't see any of the
I'm
cards.
trying. I'm trying.
Wait, how many do you need to pick? 3?
Two.
Two.
This is something you want to get involved with. I want
This
stuff
coffee,
with-
this coffee. Just the tip.
Hmm.
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 Ew, okay, now.
No, I lost.
Oh my god. What in the world?
If
I
you
just
want to
want-
get involved with existing.
Guys, y'all can fuck yourself.
Oh man, the dog though.
Existing?
Yeah, existing.
Blue main drop. Oh
What
my
the
god.
fuck? Ew. I don't know why, but I like the first one a lot. It's so
Aw.
fucked up.
Yeah.
Aw. Aw.
I don't know why, but that one is so funny. Okay.
And here's a bad part. I can't laugh, like, you know, because of my cough. So it's so
Hell
bad.
yeah, you can.
After months of practicing with Blank, I think I'm finally ready for Blank.
Oh,
Alright.
this will be easy.
After months of practice with.
If you know me well, you should know how.
No way, this is really bad.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Everybody's gonna lose. Everybody's gonna die. Wait, what?
Gummy, do you want to see it?
Asians. I put on if you after months of practicing with Asians.
Wow. Okay, I know which
Gummy,
one is
Gummy.
yours now.
Gummy, you will know what is my, my card.
Yeah, I'm scared now.
I don't have any blank cards, so I can't.
Mm-hmm.
Of course you.
Of course you do. Oh wow.
What
No.
the?
Oh my god, no. What in the world?
A
Gummy,
bigger,
what-
blacker dick. Whoa!
Whoa, okay, nah,
Whoa!
This is just, no.
What
Okay, Mexicans, no.
A bleach whale.
Really.
Chocolate pudding all over Bill Cosby's nipples. But fucking hell!
Nah,
You son of a bitch!
Nah.
Fuck you.
Fucking Mexicans,
the
no,
first
nah.
ball slapping sex your parents are having right now.
The hell,
What the hell?
Oh wow,
Little
Magic
kids and
Gathering.
party Mexican.
Yes.
Little
Magic
kids and party
Gathering.
Mexican.
Yes. Magic Gathering question.
My
So,
god.
they added a 6.
What the fuck? That is it because oh my god. What the hell they
I
added
am
a 6-6 with finals?
Oh my god, yes.
Only.
Magic Gathering
Take our
question.
season.
Actually, this is either common sense or either funny.
Gummy,
Yes.
I'm going to select the card.
The
Shut
card.
the hell up.
Smart.
Disgusting.
Yes, 6, it's flying,
Oh
trample.
shit, I need to do something. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yo man, this is so fucking silly.
Alright, I'm gonna go with common sense.
But is it common dollars?
Can you go? No.
This card.
Wait.
And
What
this
the
card.
fuck?
Which one is yours? Oh my god, it's really hard.
Ooh, this card. This card, that's a good one. That's actually a really good one. I like that one.
Aw.
Alright.
Aw.
I don't know why it was funny.
Common sense wins. I was about to put the dog.
But it's just $100.
Which is oh my god.
Epic hits.
Michael Bay's new 3-hour action epic hits. Like,
Yeah, what the fuck? I can't get over
against
this card.
Survive.
And new offensive action physics. Like,
I almost spit on the laptop screen. What is this? But this might take a while.
I did it. I did it.
Best card.
this card.
Best card ever.
Oh. I'm trying.
A dog, a cop who is also a dog.
Perfect.
Sapphire
Awesome.
dragon with no friends.
With no friends.
Living in a trash can with. Oh my god, whipping it. Is that yours? Is that yours, Saito?
What?
Second one. Is that yours?
No. No.
That okay. The fourth one, Saito.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. The fourth
No.
one, Saito.
No.
And all the produce. That one's.
My cards are really
Illogical.
bad. My cards are really bad.
Well, my cards though. My cards
Oh
are
yeah,
bad.
just check which one is correct grammar.
Who wins? Aw, mine was the
Yay!
fourth one. Mine is the
Fuck.
fourth one.
Yours was the fourth one. Alchy, you disgusting motherfucker.
But first one made a lot
What
of
did you
sense.
bring
But
for show and tell?
And what did you bring for show and tell?
and what did you bring for the show and tell? I have a better card, but I'm the selector.
Oh, mine is really good. Mine is really good. Gummy.
Yeah.
And what did
Oh, I
you do?
know.
What did you bring for show and tell?
Oh my god. You're disgusting.
The mouth.
What the
Food because Asians love food. Grandpa Ashes.
That's
That's
so
the mouth. Very
fucked up. So fucked up.
Shit. I'm thinking of one right now. What's a Velcro again?
Velcro, the thingy, the whip thingy.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's
No, I can't make the song.
so who's picking? Oz and Saito.
No.
Aww.
Yeah, I won! Finally!
Why?
What the
You
fuck?
love food.
Why would you pick Grandpa Ashes? That you
Boy.
sick fuck.
Boy, it's publicity because it's funny.
No, you sick motherfucker.
I turned for my soul and the devil promised me blank, but all I got was blank.
In return for your soul, the devil has promised me blank, but all I got was bullshit.
Oh my god, mine doesn't make sense at all. Blah blah. Right.
Prepare your enos.
What? You what? No?
La cucaracha, la Fuck.
No.
Saito, you're racist.
Waiting. Aw.
Too late. I was doing something. Sorry.
Let's go.
I choose between two.
Who am I picking? That is the question. To
Wow,
be
the second
asked.
one is really good.
Yeah. Cheers.
Bruh.
Oh my god, this is. I don't know.
Oh,
Yeah,
come
second.
on.
That was a better one. The fuck?
Shit.
Instead of blood that spits, he gets something else.
Yeah.
Wait, I
It
should
is
have
easy because you're
Okay, I know which one would be Oz. Kinda.
No, I
Oh
have
my God.
Mantis Freak.
Loving you is easy because you're. I swear to goodness, Saito. I swear to fucking goodness.
Oh no, I really did it. I really did it. Oh
Uh-oh.
no.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Gummy, don't kill me.
Don't kill me.
Gummy, don't kill me. Gummy, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
I swear
fuck. I
to
got
goodness.
lame ass cards. The fuck.
Don't
I'll
kill
just
me.
use this one.
Oh, come
Don't kill
on.
Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Plus, you're what the lock is cooking. That doesn't make sense. Come on. Smoking pepper, for instance. The rest doesn't make any sense. What?
Hell yeah, we're
You
disposing
son of a
cards.
bitch! I know which one's yours.
The rest doesn't make sense.
Fuck you.
Village traders are fair ratio with offering on trade. Done.
Gummy, I didn't do anything. What are you talking about?
It's done.
Gummy.
Oh no.
Gummy.
What is this new
Now
mention?
fuck off.
Announcement. Oh,
Gummy.
Yeah,
Are you okay?
no.
yeah.
No.
Oh no, no, this is the right shit.
So I didn't do anything wrong, right?
No. I
Yeah.
don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Oh.
Spring break. What?
Why? Why, you guys? You fucking bitches are so fucking racist. What the fuck?
and
My mom freaked out when she looked at my browser history and found blank. Oh, this is fucking Alchy's.
I don't know what I'm talking about. This makes sense, but okay.
Oh, I don't have anything. Fuck.
Fuck.
Let's search
this
that
is
up.
okay.
I don't have anything good. Wow.
Let's search
Shit, I don't know if this is the right one.
No, I don't have anything good. I don't have anything good. I don't want to waste. Fuck off.
Best card.
Ah. Okay.
Fuck. Come here.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Shit, you can't undo it. Fuck.
No, you can't undo it, boy.
Damn it. Shit.
Wait, what?
Demons and shit.
I'm about to kill someone.
I'm actually hippie left now. What the fuck? No, the flower, the princess. No.
Okay, that third one is like shit. That third one's complete shit.
Best cards.
I think the second one is pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. The third one was mine.
The
God,
flower,
no, you sir. I'll
the
fucking
flower and the princess.
I've seen the video. I've seen
fuck
the
Yeah, I should've
off.
made
So bad.
We didn't say the verb.
You've seen the beauty, you've seen the ring.
You've seen the
Feast your
real
eyes
fun.
upon.
Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes upon.
Mine
I
was
can't
in.
want this good.
Mine
Man, I have a good one. Fuck.
Hey.
Yeah.
Look at mine. You know it's mine.
But no one picked yet. What the fuck? Size of my feet.
Shit.
Alright,
Uh,
take it a second. Daddy's bell. What the
Oh my god. This is just so bad.
Oh my
Come
god.
on. Come on.
Oh.
Oh, now you fucked up. Now you fucked up.
Ken.
Now you fucked
Yeah, Daddy's belt, yo. Hmm.
Gummy, no.
I can't believe Netflix is using to blame. Alright, guys, I'll be back.
Here we go.
Okay.
What is that? I guess Gummy will be gone. Alright. Waiting. I guess Gummy died.
She said beer.
But this though, how did I not win just now?
Please,
Bosnian chicken farmer.
presidential cup, bitch. You fat ass piece of shit. You Teflon motherfucker. What? 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 What?
Bruh.
What? Hell, what? What?
Bruh. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, okay.
Okay, sure. Mm-hmm. Now let's wait for.
What happened?
Third.
Huda.
Cancel all my meetings.
This had to go off. A long while. Oh, now my sheet ended. It skipped. Gummy has left the game.
Cancel all my meetings. We got a situation.
Gummy left the game.
But
Yeah, Gummy left the game.
good job. So what's the max total scores?
So yeah, I think it's 10.
10.
Show the options. Yeah. 10. No, score limit is 8. I guess Gummy died.
Guess I'll keep using this one.
Oh my god.
No. Whatever.
Oh my god. We have a situation with.
Last.
What is.
Tayuya? Tai?
Hey,
He finally won something.
I am become what?
after many years,
Become.
I am become.
And
I
become.
became, I guess.
Whatever.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
became.
well.
So,
If it says I am becoming,
for your
yeah, the English is the grammar is meh. Oh,
lame ass cards. Fuck.
Oh. And become. The fuck is this shit?
No sense.
They're so bad.
everything's so bad. Oh my god.
Okay, which one's Tayuya?
Oh,
Fuck you.
come on.
He was the best. No? Getting bitch slapped by.
This upcoming role, then
Prepare for his upcoming role, then he must immerse himself in the world of.
Oh no.
Oh,
Yeah, I
my
gotta
God.
get that. You cannot decline this.
No, God!
Losing himself in the world of.
No, God, please, no! No! No!
What? What?
Please. No!
Oh my god.
The second one.
It's
The
done.
second one is so fucked up. Wow.
Wow.
Really?
I was
Really?
laughing at the. I was laughing
Really?
at the second. I was laughing at the
Really?
second one.
I spent my whole life working toward.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got
I
time for
spent
that.
my whole life working towards
Wait a
blank,
minute.
only to have it ruined by blank. Best cards. Best cards.
Best cards.
Well, I woke up to go give me a coke. Then I thought somebody was barbecuing. But oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. Then I ran out. I didn't grab no shoes or nothing. Jesus, I ran
Yes.
for my life. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got
You're gonna
time
get
for
me
that.
copyrighted, but okay, sure.
Nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Thanks for the copyright infringement. Sky.
Ain't got time.
When
Abby's on her way and Sam's on her way. Have fun.
Oh my god, Gummy is still alive.
Get me food.
Wait,
Guys!
you're alive? Hell.
Yes, I'm alive. Sorry about that.
Damn, I thought I killed you.
Fuck
Tell
off.
me,
You didn't
I
kill
leave
me.
I leave a message.
I spent my whole life working
Guys,
towards the
guess
safe
what?
word,
Guys,
only
guess
to have
what?
it ruined by
What?
action weakness.
You know
What?
you know how I'm being Louisa Zero? Yeah, so
Come
I
here.
got the wig
Come
today. I got my
What?
wig. I
Okay,
got my
meh.
wig.
Meh.
It's so pretty!
No,
Oh, by the way,
it's
one of
pink.
my real life friends is right here with me.
No, it's pink. No way.
This
Can I
is
select two?
mine. I made it. Every last single one of them.
What?
Oh no. This is not a. This is just a chat, and these are the people that
No,
are.
it's not a chat, okay? It is called abusing Gummy
Ouchie,
101.
she can't hear you. I have headphones.
God damn it.
Who can't hear
My
who?
whole plan has been
This
failed.
is like everyone that's in this chat. So there's
No,
22
no, do not.
offline.
No, no.
There's
I'm not calling angry Asian.
36 online.
It's all
No.
9 workers. 3
No,
Hispanics, 1 cat,
no,
1 pib,
no.
1 Asian, and a pissed off Mexican, which is me.
Gummy, stop. Stop.
What about
Okay,
me?
then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is my best friend. He's been with me since like
I
day
don't
1.
know what you're talking about.
Shut up, Alchy.
Hong Kong.
We get volume working here.
Hong Kong, yes, you're
Yeah, I don't know why,
working
but
here. Yes,
it
you're
doesn't work
working.
here.
No, it doesn't work.
I can't get it to work.
Of course it
I
doesn't
already
work.
broke
It's because
it.
of you. Oh,
I
wait,
didn't like
what?
a cool speaker. But like stop it, Alchy. That gives me a headache.
Oh my god.
But like,
Let's
yeah,
get
this
out
is
of
one of
yourself.
he's been with me since day 1. This is just some
What?
guy that we
No,
always
the
hate each
second part
other.
doesn't
This
make
is Santa.
sense.
We
Come
hate each other.
on.
This is new guy. This is Oz. This is Tay, which
Second
is my
one.
best friend.
Yeah.
And then that's George, my friend.
Second actually made sense.
The
Yeah.
first one doesn't make sense. Come on.
You're my best friend, Alchy. Shut the fuck up.
What makes Spook cry?
What makes you dead?
I'm spamming coffee tunes, just so you guys know.
Huh?
What's that?
Who? Where? What? Where? Huh? Yeah. Get me. I think this was
Wait, oops. Eight.
There we go. Anyways. Oh wait, what? Been beaten by a radar.
Oh, this is really hard.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna get off so I can start working here.
Working in what?
Wait, since
I have
you
stuff to do in real life.
Yes.
I'm not like you guys.
Wow, I have school later. Shut up. Every step towards. Yes, me. Oh my god. There you go. So who's still in the call? Nobody's talking.
Huh?
Huh?
It's thought you were dead. She said real life. Real life.
Man, I have school later.
There's one way to avoid it, Alchy.
Shut up.
You know, you gotta do it.
Punching the
Got it.
tree together with what? No, don't play music. Go away. Oh my god, no. Do not play music.
Priorities.
God damn it. Oh my god, this will take a while. Sure.
One.
Sure.
And it was pure random.
Only
I
two
mean,
things in life are
and you
certain:
did-
death and
oh. I won.
Alright.
You're going to see mine. Mine is really good. Really good.
Wait, what? Somebody left the game. Cool. So it's between me and Oz.
Me.
Fucking right in the pussy.
Oh my god. No, don't. No, go away.
Shit, which one is which?
Got this.
Hmm.
And this will me.
Fucking right in the pussy.
No.
Who is going to choose?
Oh my god.
Yay, I won.
Oh my god.
Fucking a curse back to life.
In the final round of the series, because cannot play something the game of.
You stupid.
They're not.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You
51?
stupid.
21.
Oh wow.
Are you?
My
21.
in a game of. Yes.
It's just the three of us. What the fuck?
Everyone down there, it does it for.
Everyone down on the ground. We don't hear anyone. Just hear 4.
Uh-huh. Okay, I guess I'll do that.
Fuck they master.
Down to the ground, we don't want to hurt one. We are
Why is
just
that
here
thing
for-
so long?
No idea. Jenkins! Oh my god. Oz. No.
This trembling curse of Larry King. Oh my
Oz,
fuck
please no.
god.
Alright, bros.
The time has comment to comments operation.
Slam pieces.
Operation what? Oh.
Operation what?
I guess.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, what is that?
Like,
What is that?
Got any grapes?
Yes. I have
So, the duck?
Then he waddled away, till the very next day.
Oh my god.
And he said to the man,
that one is pretty good actually.
run in the sand. Hey, got any ass, right? And then he said,
Hey.
Here we go.
For ambiguity.
So I have to guess.
The
Oh my
fuck is
god, here we
that?
go.
Forget everything you know about. Because now you supercharge it.
This is
Oh, I have a good part for this. Come on. Oh well. This. Saito, please give me a good one. If not, Oz wins.
to a lemonade stand, and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?"
Shit.
No, I don't have any grapes.
But it's cold. I get
Alright.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Both
The
are really
second one,
bad.
no. The second one is no.
Yay!
I actually guess.
God damn it.
Taking a mom's eyes and balls out and putting his
damn it,
eyes
Oz.
where his ball.
You did it on purpose, huh? Get the fuck.
Send pictures of that look like.
Oh my god, yes. Yes. This might be racist, but yes.
Come on, Alchy, you can do it.
I don't know. You asking me? Oh my god.
I'm just gonna be logical.
Yeah, logical, yes.
What the? When you get two perfect cards.
Not very
I'm
right.
going to buy Spice Blank. There I said, oh no.
I got the perfect cards for that. Oh my god.
Oh, I forgot. I forgot how to type in a.
You have
Oh,
to,
it's like this.
yeah, you have
I
to
don't-
confirm selection and then type.
unacceptable condition.
Oh my god. What in the
Let me grab.
world?
Unacceptable.
This is unacceptable.
No.
Nah, I'm not going to use it. Trilogy.
Best
What the-
cards or save the best cards.
Huh. Who won?
What the fuck happened?
Wait, what's the
Oh,
host?
being idle for too many rounds.
Oh,
What?
it says the other side of left.
Fuck you, I was trying to.
Well, alright, there's no winner.
You try
So,
typing and you probably click out
I
the
can
4.
slowly.
I win
No, shut up.
By-
we both
by 1
have
point.
6.
By 1.
By 1
Yeah, I have
point.
7.
So yeah, you can go to my YouTube channel /Snapchat /Instagram at me there. Or
Keep trying, Alchy.